What's up, guys? Today we're going to test the strengths and, wow, there are weaknesses, but the strengths and ability on the Diamo scooter. So let's take this thing out. It's got a total of a couple horsepower, and stick up the kickstand. Let's see if she makes it to the gas station. All right. Now, this is crazy. You just put your feet on the ground and just go. So that's fun. It's very weird. Let's go see if we can keep up with traffic. Alright, my mirrors are not greatly placed. Hey, we're doing 35 already? 40? Are we oh. Miles per hour. Miles per hour. We're almost to 30. I don't know, guys, that's not a lot, but I'm already realizing that I don't want to take the, whoa, okay, where are my brakes? Alright, now the mirrors are pretty well adjusted. I've got her wide open throttle. I am doing 25. I'm going down a bit of a hill. I'm hitting 30. Yeah. Is that my max? You know, if somebody wasn't paying attention, they would think they'd be doing 50. Okay, I'm still wide open throttle and I'm only going 28. Dude, you have any more for me there, scooter? Alright. Can slow down. Front brake's a little sticky. There we go. Now we're working. Well, it's good I didn't use just the front brake back there. Alright. Turn signals. Whoop. Guys, you think you're safe on one of these things? I'm not used to such a little rig. Alright, turn signal. Turn it off. There we go. So I bought this Diamo Retro 50 scooter. It is a GY6 engine. And I bought it for $75. But in order to make it legal for riding it on the road, first I had to fix it and get it running. Second, I had to register it and get a license plate for it and insure it and all those good things. And transfer the title to my name. So all that said, I had to pay $150 for all that in Pennsylvania. So now I'm in what, 225, and probably I bought some parts. I feel like there's got to be a way to make this thing faster. I ordered some parts for it. Yes, I did. Racing CDI. Be interesting to see what it would do if I threw that stuff on it. Because right now it just sort of tops out and you just... It's the first time I got to put my feet down. It's actually kind of tall. Seat height's probably 30, at least 30. Alright, wide open throttle. I don't know if I want to take this thing up any hills. I'd be faster on a bicycle. Ah, yellow! Alright, here we go. Turn signal on. Come around here. Front brake's a little sticky, but it feels like it's working now. Alright, we're going to put non-ethanol fuel in the Diamo. Turn off the turn signal. It's a little button. Alright, so no shifting. All right. Turn off the engine there. Put down the kickstand. I haven't put gas in this for a long time. Look, we're almost at 500 miles. So, take your key. I'm not sure if this is the same key. Yep. Same key. And we'll put gas in it. Alright, I got 0.72 gallons, and it is the whole way to the top. How does this go on? Do that. Stick it in, and it's in. Okay. Alright. So, it doesn't take that much gas. It might hold a gallon? I don't know. I don't know how much was in it, but 0.72, so that's not bad. $4 to fill it up. And that's with, actually, I got regular. I lifted up the wrong pump. So I just put regular in it. Alright, hopefully she starts again, and we can be on our way. Alright, hold down this guy. Start her up. I hope this goes up, because it's full. I know it is. Well, the gas gauge is apparently not working. Alright. Nothing I can do about it, right? Let's go. Ah, it smells good. I smell donuts or something. Baked goods. Let's see if this guy will wave to me. He laughed. That's hilarious. He laughed at me. He's like, this guy's hilarious. Alright, well, I wonder why the gas gauge doesn't work. That's sad. Maybe I forgot to hook it up or something. That was hilarious. He laughed. Alright, so we're about to hit 500 miles on the way home. That's awesome. It is running good. We're going to see how it does on the hill. It's not a big hill, just a little hill. But I certainly wouldn't want to take this any further than I already have, probably. Everything's working correctly. She's running. And that's the important part. Now, we're going to have to make it faster. I've seen ways to make it faster. You got to start ripping into things. And we'll get there. But for right now, I'd say let's not mess with a good thing. Let's have some fun with her. Yeah, come on, gas gauge, where you at? Let's see how she does going up the hills. Diamo. Let's go. Yeah, if you don't put your feet on the carpet, it's gonna go missing. Maybe I should put some Velcro on the bottom of it, and then it won't go missing as fast. Ah, never put my visor down. Hopefully you could hear me. Man, I keep running that yellow. Alright, wide open, going 25. We need to get up this hill. We're down to 24, 23. Yeah, we need to do something to make this thing better. Alright, rear brake is working. We're stopping and we're going. Not anywhere fast, that's for sure. So, moral of the story is, this thing needs souped up. We got to get some more power out of this guy. Or less restriction, I don't know. 25 miles per hour on this road, but that's not going to get you far. That's not going to get you far at all. Like right now, we're going down a little bit of an incline, and I'm almost to 30, guys. Wide open throttle. There's not anything I can do. Hopefully I didn't waste my money on this thing. We need to get some more power out of this. Anybody watching, tell me what I gotta do to make this thing more fun. 'Cause 25 miles per hour just isn't gonna cut it, guys. That is not gonna cut it. I got a beeping turn signal. I mean, the good news is it's running. That's what we had to do the whole way. Like, that was the whole goal. Now it's time to get more out of this thing. Wide open throttle. She's rolling like she should. She's just not going anywhere. I think my turn signal was still beeping at me. Woo! Alright. Well, give me some pointers, guys. Let me know what's happening. Let me know what I need to do to this little scooter to make her faster. Because this is dangerous if I take it anywhere else. 25 is great for like just going to the gas station. But 25 is not going to get me any any more than to the gas station. Brakes. I don't know what I can do to corner on this thing. How cornering can I do? Alright, well, this is it for today. Hope you enjoyed the ride. I kinda did. It's fun. But I need more speed. Look, guys, 500 miles! Woo! Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.